Hi everyone, I'm your VA training coach Nicholas. Today let's begin the lesson 4. Lesson 4, how to be a forwarder air freight part. Today we will get a full view of the air freight. First, let's see the picture of the air freight process. The air freight process is mostly like the sea freight process, only have a bit different. Let's see it briefly. First, we sourcing pH get air freight inquiry, and then the factory deliver the cargo from their warehouse to our China air freight warehouse, and then we deliver the goods to the China port. After export, customer declare will begin air freight, but they have a difference because air freight speed is very fast. So in this part, you will no need do the tracking info like the sea freight do. And after the air freight arrive the Philippines port, also need to do the customer clearance, and after that, we'll deliver the cargo to our Manila air freight warehouse. And finally, when the cargo delivered to the customer's address, the whole air freight process was done. Now let's see what you need to do during this process. Part 1, quotation period. When a client on our Facebook page need to ship a cargo from China to PH, you will need to introduce some basic service info such as our air freight rate, estimate the shipping cost. These will based on the item type, size, and weight. Air freight delivery time. Normally, our air freight delivery time is 2 days after our China air freight warehouse receive the cargo, but you can say need 2 to 4 days to your clients to leave some margin. And since the air freight is very fast, so no need the part of search the logistic status, and also need to tell the clients how to pay. If we have extra cost, can we handle customer clearance? And after the client decide to use our shipping service, you need to do this. This part is same as the sea freight, and only please note different is our air freight warehouse address and the sea freight address is different, and the air freight shipping mark is also different from the sea freight shipping mark. So you must send the correct address and shipping mark to your customers according to their needs. And in this part, there's some knowledge you must know. Knowledge 1 is our air freight rate chart. Number 2 is know what is volume weight in air freight, how to count it. Knowledge 3, know how to estimate the air freight cost. Let's see it. As you can see, this is our air freight rate chart in the last year. We also briefly types the item to normal item, sensitive item, international brand items. And the difference from the sea freight is you can see we have more price level. That is because the air freight is very expensive, so the discount level is more. Let's see what is volume weight. Volume weight. Calculate volume weight for freight delivery. Most air freight services and airlines use a 6,000 divisor to calculate the volumetric weight for freight shipment. Multiply the length with width with height in centimeter and divide by 6,000. Why we need to use volume weight? That is because there are some product with big volume but small weight, and the capacity in the plane is very limited. So the volume weight is used for this kind of item. And let me use an example tell you how to calculate the volume weight. If the cargo size is 40 long, 30 wide, 20 height in centimeter, then the volume weight will be 40 multiply 30 multiply 20 and divide 6,000. and the answer is 4 kilograms. And in the air freight ship, we count the price based on the big data from the cargo real weight and the volume weight. You can see the rate of air freight is pesos per kilogram. Instead, the sea freight is pesos per CBM. Let's see another example to help you know better how we count price when cargo have volume weight and the real weight. If the cargo is 60 multiply 40 multiply 50 centimeter in size and the real weight is 14 kilogram, then the volume weight is 60 multiply 50 multiply 40 divided 6,000 and is equal 20 kilogram. And the 20 kilogram is bigger than 40 kilogram, so we will count as 20 kilogram while estimate the air freight cost. Now, let's see how to calculate the air freight cost. For example, if the cargo is normal item, you can see normal item rate is here, and the size is 30 multiply 50 multiply 40 centimeter in size, and the weight is 18 kilogram. You can see 18 kilogram in the air freight chart is 550 pesos per kilogram because it is over 10 kilos and under 30 kilos, so it belongs this level price. Then the volume weight is 30 multiply 50 multiply 40 and divided 6,000 is equal 10 kilogram. 10 kilogram is less than 18 kilogram, so we will count as 18 kilogram in this case. And the air freight rate for 18 kilogram normal item is 550 pesos per kilogram. So the air freight cost is use 550 multiply 18 is equal 9,900 pesos. Okay, let's see part 2. When the cargo already arrive our China air freight warehouse, you need to do this work. First, need to confirm the client if the cargo is his and the box's quantity is right after he confirmed. Second, need to collect some must-have info from the client such as the item name and picture, client Philippines address, zip code, contact name, and the phone number. Please note the phone number is also needed. I missed the phone number in yesterday's case. Please note this. Our customer clearance both in China, Philippines will must have this info. Please note the phone number is also needed. And thirdly, our China warehouse will measure the accurate real size and weight, and based on this info, you need to make an invoice, confirm with your client. And please note, since the air freight rate is very expensive, so you must confirm the total shipping cost with your client. Only after her agree to ship, then we arrange the air freight ship because the price is very high. Have this situation that is the air freight cost is even expensive than the price he buy the products. So if he didn't agree your price in advance, may happen that after the cargo arrived Manila, he refused to pay the air freight rate. And part 3, when the cargo arrive our Manila air freight warehouse, you need to do this work. And this part work is same as the sea freight part. And I wouldn't tell this in details. You can see it after class. Only one difference is we offer free door-to-door service in the zip code from 1100 to 1700 area for the air freight cargo, which is bigger than 20 kilogram per order. Okay, now let's see the comparison of air freight and the sea freight. This will help you know their advantage and disadvantage better. See what difference do they have. This is air freight and this is sea freight. Delivery time. Air freight is 2 to 4 days while the sea freight needs 3 to 4 weeks. And the air freight price is very expensive and it is counted by kilogram, while the sea freight price is very cheap and it is counted by CBM. For example, both for 100 kilogram normal items, the air freight cost is 450 pesos multiply 100, that is equal 45,000 pesos, very high price. And the sea freight cost is only 100 divided 500 and multiply the rate 8,500 pesos per CBM, that is equal 1,700 pieces. So this you will know how expensive the air freight cost is and why the sea freight is suitable for large quantity items. And the MOQ of air freight is 1 kilogram of our sourcing pH, and our sea freight MOQ is only 0.1 CBM. For example, if a client needs to ship shoes with box, normally 5 to 8 pairs of shoes with box can meet this requirement of sea freight. And the China warehouse of our air freight is located in Dongguan City, while the sea freight China warehouse is located in Guangzhou and Yiwu City. And our air freight Manila warehouse was located in Metro Manila, while the sea freight Manila warehouse was located in Valenzuela City. And our air freight shipping mark is begin with JY, and the sea freight shipping mark is begin with FA. So you must be careful when you get the address and shipping mark to your client. If he use air freight service, you need to send the air freight warehouse address and shipping mark to him. And if he use sea freight, you need to send the sea freight warehouse address and shipping mark to him. And air freight, no need tracking logistic during the shipping process because it is very fast, only 2 days. And the sea freight will need tracking because the delivery time is very long, 3 to 4 weeks. Most clients will need this. Okay, after the comparison, I think you will know better their advantage and disadvantages. Briefly to say, air freight is more suitable for the item that is with small volume and weight but with high value, while the sea freight is more suitable for the item is very heavy or with a big volume and the unit value is low. Okay, let's get a summary of today's lesson. What we have learned today. For sea freight, it also have quotation period, and when you get an air freight inquiry, you need to do some things. And number two, when cargo arrive our China air freight warehouse, this part you also need to do some things. And three, when the cargo arrive our Manila air freight warehouse, you need to charge money and assist your client pick up. And number four, we have compared the air freight and sea freight. That's the whole content today. Tomorrow we will begin the last lesson. In the next lesson, I will show you some FAQ of customers, see their frequently asked questions and the answer, and the standard of become our formal employee. Today's after class task, there I also left 3 simple calculations for you. Number 1, number 2, number 3. After you calculate the result, you can send the result to me privately, just like yesterday. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.